Hi guys, I just wanted to make this short video to prove that my bLIZZARD card, which I'm selling, is in perfect working order. So here's the card. I installed 64 megabytes of 72-pin SIM, which I bought recently. So this is actually new stock. And this battery is all new. I soldered on a new one. Here's the back side. You can see the serial number. And here it is, the bLIZZARD 1260 phase 5. But as you can see, everything looks good. There's no corrosion from the battery, no leakage. I cleaned this with alcohol too, so to be absolutely sure it's in perfect condition. Never had any troubles with it. Okay, so let's do this. Installing a card in one hand is less than ideal, but I've done it a few times. So there it snaps into place. Just gonna put it carefully on the table. Plug in. You can see this. My DVI. I have an individual thing in here too. So I have the DVI output. I'm actually selling this to finance a Vampire card for my A1000, which you can see here. There you go. $12.60. I guess I have to throw away that badge. And there we go. It boots up fairly quickly. It's actually slower to boot up when you have 3.9, which I have installed. Here's the mouse. Let's go into utils and to sysinfo. I know sysinfo isn't very accurate, but it's something. The boards, here you can see it, the Sorrel 2, blah blah blah, manufacturer 5812. And let's do a speed test. So 70.84 in score. Is that dry stones? No, that's whatever score that is. It says 68040, but it's a 68.60, and you can see the FPU here. Foamy now, which is what we all want. I guess that's it. Yeah, there's nothing else you want to see or need to see. Hope you buy my card. Bye.